I cried all night when they told me I had breast cancer. I just couldn't believe males could have breast cancer. My wife would always tell me, when you go take an examination, physical, have them to check your breast. I said, oh no. I said, I'm not worried about breast cancer. But I'm a true witness and survivor that I know it's true. And the good Lord and the doctors and all my family members, they helped me get through it. I would advise all males, please go to the doctor and get checked out. I was afraid of going to the doctors like the rest of the males. We should get beyond that and go to the doctor once a year. We should not neglect this type of illness because it's becoming more common with males, breast cancer. When I tell everybody what I had breast cancer, they said, no you didn't. I said, oh yes I did.